first vanish is variation of a sunset chain. Okay, and this is how to do it. Take one card, okay, and put it face up on top of the deck in this position, okay, a little bit out job, okay, and you just wave your hand, okay, forward and backward. So you start with, okay, from this position forward, okay, and when you do the backward, okay, so you forward, when the backward you just touch, okay, the next card and slide like this, okay, until they are separate, okay. One more time, okay, you start with forward, when backward you just touch and slide, okay, and you forward again, place this card on top of the face up card, okay, until like this, and you just push these two cards together until they align, and you just reveal, okay. So one time here, put it face up, okay, like this. Remember, start, okay, from the back. If you want it, you can rub your skin like this, and you forward, okay, touch, backward, forward, and back, okay. Here's a 1 2 3 4, okay. If you want to count it like this, okay, 1 2 3 4. So from the front, okay, okay, place the card like this, okay, rub your skin, forward, backward, forward, and vanish the card. Yeah, the second vanish, okay, start with pick one card, okay, and face up like this, okay, and secretly you just push the bottom card, okay, you just slide like this, okay, a little bit until they are out jog like this, okay. So you do it in this angle, okay. So after you take card, put it like this, and you just slide a little bit the bottom card until they are out jog like this, okay. So this completely on your cover like this, okay, just slide, okay, and they are out jog like this. And from this position, okay, you just place your right hand, okay, place it on top the bottom card, okay, you just place on top. After that, you just slide the deck back, okay, until they are separate, and the bottom card pop out, and automatically they are hide on your palm, okay. At this point, you don't have to palm the card, okay, because this is held by your another finger. Just hold like this, okay, and after that you just wave or put this card on top the top card like this, and make the card vanish. So one more time, okay. Remember, after you pick one card, put it on top, face up, okay, slide a little bit, okay. You can use your buckle right here to slide a little bit until they are out like this, okay. And then remember, just put your hand like this, separate the deck, okay, until the card pops out, and just wave, okay. So after you pick one card, put it face up, okay, slide the bottom card. Remember, put your hand, separate the deck, okay, and remember, you just keep your finger closed, don't open, okay, because we will reveal this, okay. Just keep it here and just wave, and the card vanish. For the last finish, okay, take your card, put it face up, okay, and first what you do, you just steal the next card, okay, by doing a strike chain like this. Just push and just steal the next card, okay. So if you know the strike chain, you know how to do it. If you don't know, just like this, okay, you just slide, and then when you back, you just take the next card, okay. And of course you do it with completely full of your hand, okay, okay, and you steal the next card, okay. So one time here, and you just steal the next card. And from position, you can, if you wave it, and you can come do a card vanish. But with this vanish, you do a little bit variation, okay. So after you steal the card, so right now in your palm there's a face down card, okay. And after you steal it, you just turn, okay, the card in this position, okay. So after you steal, okay, you just place like this, and this you put it in this position. And from this position, okay, you just wave, okay, a little bit sideways like this, slowly. It look like you just slow do half vanish like this, okay. From this position, remember, do a tilt like this, don't straight, because you will reveal this, okay. You can use the corner as your pivot point, okay. From this position, okay, you can use it as your pivot point to move your hand, okay. So from here, just wave sideways, okay. It look like you just slowly vanish the card, okay. Remember, from this position, okay. After this, you just come back, reveal, and then you just purely put this card on top of the face up card, okay. Remember, you just slowly, okay, rotate this card and just put it, okay, on the face up card, okay. So from here, come back and put it like this, okay. So one more time, okay. Remember, you steal the next card, put like this, okay, slide, okay, in the this position sideways, take and put it completely to make the card vanish.